Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well today. As you can see from the thumbnail, I have a little bit of a haul. I did some damage at Sephora and Ulta and also at Clinique. I don't have that box anymore, and Urban Decay, and I think that's it. I think that's all. I actually ordered something from Macy's and it's in Never Never Land. Like, I don't know where it's at. I've got to figure out. It's been sitting at a post office in like 2 hours from here, so I have to figure out where in the heck that is. But let's go ahead and get into the haul. We'll start with Sephora. All right, I had seen so many recommendations about this perfume. This is the Dolce & Gabbana number 3, and I'm not even gonna try to attempt to pronounce it. Seriously, if you go on and look at the reviews for this perfume, the number 3, it has almost like a 5-star rating. It's a really big one. Is that maybe 3.4 ounces? 3.3 ounces, random. But yeah, 3.3 ounces. It does smell good, so I'm probably gonna return this one. I will put the notes here so you'll know what the notes are. And I know that it's a floral because I really like florals, and so that's why I bought it. But there's something else in there that I think I don't like. It's a little too sweet for me. I like sweet scents in a way, but I think I like more floral, not heavy floral, but light florals. And as I wore this during the day, it became too much for me. So I think I am gonna return this. I mean, it wasn't cheap, so I do want to get my money back. Also at Sephora, I actually picked this up at the JCPenney's Sephora because I had looked all over the place for this and could not find it. I think it's being discontinued. It's the Marc Jacobs Iconic palette. So this is what this one looks like. But this is called the Stiletto, Steel, S-T-E-E-L, and then Edo, Stiletto. I think it's so pretty. I mean, look at this packaging, how pretty that is. And these colors are just so pretty. Look how pretty those are. Some really cool tones. I really like those. The second one over here, I think that's a really pretty cool tone. So hopefully I'll be doing some looks with this pretty soon. If I can find it, I will link it down for you guys. I don't know if it can be found still or what. Next, I got this Givenchy La Rose Perfecto, and that's what the box looks like. So, I mean, look at the packaging. Look how pretty that is. I think that's leather, and there's like a little nub right there, and you pull out and it comes off. So I think I have swatched that, but it's really, really pretty. This is the color 202 Fearless Pink, and this is genuine leather. Isn't that interesting? But that's such a pretty color. There are maybe 3 or 4 other colors in this line, but I really like it. The one time that I wore it, I really did like it because it feels just very not heavy at all, really smooth and moisturizing. So I really like this. I think I'm gonna put this one in my purse. Another thing that I've been hearing a lot about and I'd never gotten to pick it up is this Cinema Secrets brush cleaner. And so this is a spray, so you just spray it on there. So you would spray it on your brush and then just wipe it off. There's another one that comes like in a big bottle, really big bottle. And I think they might provide you with a little tin that you can put some of the, like pour it in there, just barely dip your brush in there, and then wipe your brush off, and it comes out completely clean. It probably has a lot of alcohol in it, I would say, but it quick dries, which is a really cool thing. So it's 99.99% bacteria free. I don't know what that means. Like your brush is going to be bacteria free, or this is bacteria free. Like, I don't know. But it's a quick drying formula, and it's a rinse free formula. So this isn't something that you'd probably want to use all the time, but if you want to use the same brush, then this would be a good alternative for that. I also picked up this Kat Von D Everlasting Lip Liner, and several of her things were on clearance, so I'm not sure if her stuff is being phased out. I don't know. And actually, I forgot to bring it in here, but I got some brow powder. It's the Kat Von D Brow Struck powder. I really like it. I've been liking it a lot because it's very interesting. It has like little shimmers in it, but you don't see. I mean, I don't think that you see any shimmers on my eyebrows. I really like that. But anyway, it was only like $5 or $10, and this was same thing, like $5 or $10. So I figured I would just go ahead and get it. So this is more of a pink color, which is pretty. I like colors like that, and that went on really nicely. I'd really been wanting to try some Natasha Denona palettes, but if you have looked at her prices, like a regular size Natasha Denona palette is expensive. I think that they get up to like 125 or more. So I was like, I'm not paying that much, no way. But this one was on clearance and it was like $12.50. I think it's $25. It was half off. And this is the Lila, L-I-L-A, Lila palette. The colors are a little out of my comfort zone, but I think what I'll do is like I'll use this here as a transition, and then I can use the one here on the end and the one in the middle as liners, and then I can do like a pop on the eyelid with these right here. So I think these will be good, and I've heard so many good things about Natasha Denona palettes, so I thought for $12 I think it's a really good deal to try one. I got another palette, and I can't remember, again, I watch so many people on YouTube, it's just hard to remember who I see stuff from, but this is the Bare Minerals Gin Nude Rose eyeshadow palette. It might have been from Lisa D1, maybe. She gets a ton of makeup, and she said this is like her favorite palette, so I was like, maybe I need to try it. But how pretty is this palette? Look how pretty that is. And if I'm not mistaken, in this line, they have like the rose, they have the neutral, so they have a few in this same Gin Nude line. Ooh, those are pretty colors. Look at those. So just kind of rose, but a little cool toned rose maybe. Yeah, those are pretty. Did I say I got some stuff from Urban Decay? Clinique and Urban Decay? I can't remember. So I got a couple eyeshadows. I got Sin and I got Midnight Cowboy. So those are the two I got. They're really close, but there they are. So this is Midnight Cowboy. I think that's just really pretty. Like a color for the lid. That's pretty, right? I literally had to break those boxes to get into them. Sin, it looks like a little more pinky tone. Yeah, pinky peach. So Sin is on the bottom there, and Midnight Cowboy is on the top. So they're pretty close, but definitely not the same. Those are really pretty lid colors. Because I ordered so many times, I got a lot of samples. I got this from Laneige, the Cream Skin Toner and Moisturizer, which is interesting. I'd never heard of a toner moisturizer, so I was excited to get this one, and I will definitely be using this one because I'm out of my toner. I'm using one by Lancome, like it's the pink one, but I feel like it might be, like I had a little breakout right here, and I don't get breakouts, so I was like, is it because of that? I don't know. I ran out of my Paula's Choice, which is the one that I always use, so I'm going to switch to that. I got 2 of these Clean Reserve Radiant Nectar perfumes. This is what it looks like, and I have already tried one of these. I love this perfume, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to return this and get this. I really, really like this. It's in the family Floral Musk, but I don't know what the notes are. If I can find those, I will put them here too, but I really, really like this one. And then I'd heard a lot about this one, the Sol, it's from the Sol de Janeiro, and it's the Sol Cheirosa 62. That's what the full size looks like. This one was okay. I really liked that one. This one was okay. I didn't love it, but yeah, I would use it in a pinch. And then I got this from Dr. Jart, the Sarah Midden Liquid Moisturizing Toner. Okay, so there's another toner. And then a cream moisture retention shield, sorry. So it's just like a little duo there to use. The Tatcha Liquid Silk Canvas, so I've never used this. So I picked this because I'd never gotten the chance to use it. And then this from Tarte, it's the Jelly Glaze. Oh, it's a lip mask. Lip mask. I think that's everything from Sephora. Let me move on to Clinique. Clinique, I just got, this is the Turnaround Overnight cream, and I'd actually gotten like a deluxe sample or deluxe mini or whatever you call it of this, and I really liked it. I actually don't just use it at night. I used it during the day too, and then sunscreen on top. And then for the sample for there, it's just a Super Defense Broad Spectrum SPF 25. Okay, I don't remember if I got this from Ulta or if I got it from CVS, but this is the La Roche-Posay Effaclar, and it's the Adapalene Gel 0.1%. It's acne treatment technically, but it's good for aging, signs of aging. I heard about this on Dr. Dre. So if you haven't checked out her channel and you like skincare and stuff, you should really check her out. I'll link her below if I remember to do it. But it's Dr. Dre. She's a dermatologist. So this is a topical retinoid, but she said that it's good not only for your face, but also for your hands. And of course, I'm noticing as I'm getting older that my hands are getting older as well. So I'm going to use it for my hands and for my face. All right, a couple things I got. Let me move that from Ulta. I've had this box forever and it's just been sitting. First of all, I got this little spray here, and this might be, it's definitely my second one, possibly my third one of this. And this is super cheap, like $7.99. This is Catrice. It's the Prime and Fine Illuminating Dewy Glow Fixing Spray. And that's what it looks like. You always have to shake it up. You see it's kind of like iridescent at the bottom. You always have to shake it up. And now I don't feel like it puts iridescence on your face, if that makes sense. It really doesn't. It does have that in there. I really like this. So when I feel especially really powdery, I will spray this and it will look great. So this is a good thing if you have drier skin. I also picked up these little bitty clips just because they're super cute, and I thought with some of the hair that I'm wearing, I might be able to use them. I like those. But the reason really why I made this order is because of this, some special, and I don't even remember how much it was, but it is the Too Faced Naturally Sexy set. So it has the palette, a lipstick, a mascara, and a liquid eyeliner. Alright, so that's what it looks like there. The Too Faced mascara, it's a pretty good mascara, the Better Than Sex mascara. Alright, so here is the lipstick. It's just a very simple nude, I guess. And the mascara, you probably all know what that looks like. The liquid eyeliner, I'm not really good at liquid eyeliner. I wish I were, but this will give me a reason to try it. The palette, this is one of those that's like a favorite, but it's so pretty. Look how pretty that palette is. It's hard. It kind of concave, or what's the other one? I don't remember. Anyway, it's really pretty. And a little heart for the little opener there. Yes, that is so pretty. Let me show you. Try to figure out how to show you there. All right, there we go. Look how pretty those colors are. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to use it. It also comes with a little pamphlet, and it shows you some different looks that you can make, which is always helpful. All right, guys, I think that's everything. That was a lot. If you're still here, thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I hope you're having a great day. I hope you'll like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.